Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Neti Kumar and I am a student of the advanced level from the Parakan Academy, Badin. Today I deliver a presentation about 7 habits of highly effective people. So, this book is written by Robert Stephen R. Covey, and this book explains that how we improve ourselves and how we control our life and how we achieve success. And the 7 habits of highly effective people is that the first is be proactive, and the second is begin with the end in mind, and the third is put first thing first, and fourth is seeking understanding, and the fifth is thinking, and the sixth is synergizing, and the seventh is sharpen the law. So firstly I talk about be proactive. So be proactive peoples are very act more than active peoples, and we be proactive, and the people succeed through being proactive, and they can't wait for other opportunities to come them. They actively create their own clear goals, and taking initiative, and seeking out the knowledge and skills, and they doing any work very smartly, and they spend their time effectively, means they use their time effectively, and prioritize the tasks, and create a sense of purpose and directions in life. So by proactive we make a successful person. And the second habit is the second habit of highly effective people is begin with the end in mind. So begin with the end in mind is about our mind. It's depend on our mind how we works. For example, we are take any tasks, any work, and we start with the end in mind. And in this it involves that you imagining yourself in the end of your life, and thinking about what you have to achieve, and then working backwards to the, and taking backwards to create a plan, and make those things happen. So by this habit we are setting the long terms, and target our goals. And the third habit is put first things first. This is a very important habit for us, and the successful person secrets this habit. The secret of success, I think, put first thing first. It is very important, and put first thing first for achieving success. It guides us to achieving success and reducing stress. We have seen many people, they have a blunder, means they have a pressure of parents. For example, he wants to be a doctor, and the parents pressurize it, you study hard work, means this type of stress. So this this a bit reducing the stress, and it help us to achieving success. So this is my point of view about this, and this is very important. We should apply it. And I tell you these 3 habits because in my opinion this is important for us. And thanks you very much.